Okay, our material today is Unit 5, School Council. Okay, so Grace, do you know what is School Council? Tahu nggak artinya apa nih, Grace?
Ya, Dewan Sekolah.
Dewan Sekolah atau bisa disebut OSIS ya kalau di sekolah-sekolah biasanya. Dewan Sekolah atau
Osis.
OSIS. Okay, so here we will have warm-up question here. So this is we have six pictures. Number one, two, three, four, five, six. We have six questions. And here are some options. So, Grace, I want you to choose which one is bullying, getting at school, getting to school, getting up for school, smartphones in the classroom, and sport classes. Okay, can you do it, Grace?
No. Maksudnya gimana?
Ini kan ada foto. Foto number satu, number one, number three, number four, number five, number six. Ada 6 foto. Terus di sini, ini ada yang pink-pink ini. You have to fill. Nah, ini ada ping-ping di sini ya. Nah, ping-ping ini dimasukin dalam fotonya. For the example, bullying. So, based on the picture, yang kira-kira bullying itu nomor berapa, Grace?
Oh, yang bulan itu number 5.
Okay, so number 5 is bullying. Okay, something like that. Can
Mm-mm.
you do it? Can you do it?
Ya,
Bisa ya?
ya.
Okay, so here we will have this. So, you want to start number one and number 5, bullying, yeah? And then
Hmm.
next, which one? Yang mana
Eh,
lagi nih?
nggak ada sih. Itu aja.
Only bullying. Ini masih ada 5 opsi nih.
Kalau ini, eating at school, smartphone in the classroom.
Yang mana? Berarti gambar
Number,
number
number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6. Yuk.
number 6. Number 6 yang apa?
Yang smartphone in the class.
Smartphone in the classroom. So this is
Hmm.
for number 6. Smartphone in the classroom. Okay, that is for number 6. And then mana lagi
Eh,
nih?
apa
Okay,
ya?
welcome Aska. Okay, Aska. Here we start from here ya Aska. Di sini ada sesi di mana ada tulisan di atas. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We have 6 options. Based on this option, you have to fill with the pictures. For the example, for picture number one, number 5 is bullying, and pictures number 6, smartphone in the classroom. Oke, jika mau mencoba yang lainnya, it feels free to choose. Oke, you wanna try? Coba nih.
Try
Oke, which one?
number 2.
Number 2. Okay, what is that?
Yeah, sports class.
Number 2. So that is sport classes. Number 2, sport classes. Okay, that is correct, Aska. Okay, and then you want to try again?
Okay.
Which one?
Number 4.
Number 4. What is it?
Uh, get Getting to school.
Getting to school. Atau berangkat sekolah ya, getting to school. Okay, this is for that. Okay, we have two left. Tinggal dua nih. Ada number 1 and number 3. Okay, Grace, Aska, you want to try again? Bebas nih.
Okay, I'll try.
Which one?
Number 1.
Number 1. What is it?
Getting Getting up for school.
Getting up for school. Getting up for school atau bangun untuk sekolah. Okay, and then the last. Siapa nih yang mau coba the last?
Waiting at school. Number 3.
Number 3, the answer is
Eating at school.
eating at school. All right, good job, Chris and Aska for trying this one. So that is for number 1, getting up for school, bangun untuk pergi sekolah. Number 2, sports classes, kelas olahraga. Number 3, eating at school, makan di sekolahan. Number four, getting to school, berangkat ke sekolah. Number five, bullying. And the last, smartphone in the classroom. HP di dalam kelas. Okay, this is for our warm-up pemanasan. Okay, now we'll continue to the next. We will have here. So, think of two more issues you would like to change in your school. So, I want you to share your opinion about what will you choose to change in your school yang pengen dirubah di sekolahan atau di kelas. It feels free to choose based on these pictures, or do you have any opinion about what will you change? Apa yang akan kalian ubah? Do you get my point? Paham nggak kira-kira? So,
Jadi ulang.
oh, jadi kalau di sekolahan
Hmm.
kalian ada, kalau kalian boleh milih aturan apa nih yang pengen kalian rubah di sekolah, atau kebiasaan apa yang di sekolah kalian ingin kalian rubah. Mungkin kayak kebiasaannya ini buruk, pengen dirubah menjadi kebiasaan yang baik. Contohnya kayak uh, bermain HP saat pelajaran. Nah, kalian ingin merubahnya jadi gimana nih contohnya? Do you get my point?
Oh, oke. Siap.
Okay, so the minimum is two, and the minimal dua ya. It feels free, bebas mau apa aja nih. Okay, I will give you
Oke.
time. Okay, you want to try it first, Grace?
No, no, wait, wait.
Okay, okay, I will give you time around 2 minutes or 3 minutes, 2 sampai 3 menit ya. Think of two or more issues you would like to change in your school yang mau dirubah di sekolahan kamu nih. It feels free to just bebas mau pilih yang mana aja. Hmm.
I have a question, Kak.
Oke, Aska, please.
Maksudnya kayak permasalahan di sekolah gitu.
Kayak permasalahan sekolah yang ingin kamu rubah atau aturan di sekolah yang mungkin menurutmu kayak kurang tepat yang pengen kamu rubah nih. Do you
Hmm,
understand?
oke. Ya.
Okay, please. Mm, Okay, have you done, Chris? Aska? Udah selesai belum?
Aku masih bingung untuk jawabnya.
It feels free, bebas mau jawab apa aja nih. Kira-kira aturan-aturan sekolah yang mungkin menurutmu kayak kurang cocok atau kurang sesuai. Bebas. It feels free to choose. Atau kamu mau buat aturan-aturan baru, boleh banget nih. Oke, Aska, have you done? Chris, have you done? Udah selesai belum kira-kira nih?
Okay, that's right.
Oke, you wanna try, Aska?
Ya,
Oke, please.
in my opinion, in school, apa ya? Apa ya? Don't have to be black shoes. Apa ya? Jangan punya sepatu hitam doang gitu.
Okay. Oh, don't only use black shoes
Ah,
ya.
ya, don't only use
So
black shoes.
don't only use black shoes. Jadi jangan cuma
Ya,
pakai sepatu hitam gitu ya.
ya,
So what is the reason?
because apa ya? Karena
Alasannya?
eh, lebih ke apa ya? Lebih ke boring sih warnanya.
Oh, you want to choose another color yang not only
Ya,
black.
ya,
Okay, so you want to choose colorful shoes ya, warna yang bervariasi ya.
ya. Tarik
Okay, so what is your favorite color, Aska?
blue.
Blue. So perhaps you want to
Ya,
use blue shoes.
ya. Hmm, no, like a white or
So you want
apa
to
ya?
use like sneaker,
Ya,
white sneaker. You want to use white sneaker, something like that.
ah, maksudnya apa ya?
Pengen pakai sepatu sneaker gitu ya, yang putih gitu ya.
Ah,
Okay, and then any else?
lagi ya.
Apalagi?
Oh ya,
Ada
salah
lagi nggak?
betul.
Selain don't only use black shoes, jangan hanya menggunakan sepatu hitam. Apalagi? Ada nggak?
Hmm, oh ya, apa don rate ya? Don
Don't?
rate hair itu aja.
Gimana?
Don rate hair.
Don't red hair?
Nah,
Artinya apa nih?
jangan rahasia rambut.
Oh, jangan rahasia rambut. So,
Ah,
it feels free to choose their hairstyle ya.
ya, ya.
Okay, so you want to choose, feels free to choose hairstyle gitu ya.
Hmm,
Okay, so the one, number one is don't only use black shoes, and number two, you want to choose, feels free to choose hairstyle.
hmm,
That's all?
that's all.
All right, that's a good opinion, Aska. Thank you very much, Aska, for trying this one. So don't only use black shoes, and then feel free to choose hairstyle. Okay, next we will have Grace. Okay, Grace,
I think that nothing needs to be changed.
are you
Udah
sure?
tepat semua kayaknya dia perhatian.
Udah tepat?
Ya,
Atau you want to add more? Mau nambahin?
mm, no.
No? So you don't want to add more opinion?
No, karena aku ngikut peraturan aja.
Oh, so in your school, is there any rules that prohibited to bring phone?
Oh ya?
Ada aturan dilarang bawa HP?
Ah, nggak diizinkan kok main HP.
Oh,
Yes.
it's okay. It's okay to bring phone ya berarti.
Ya.
Okay, that's cool. So you don't have any idea ya to change the rules in your school.
Ya.
Okay, so your school is perfect berarti ya. Okay, okay, Grace. Thank you very much for trying this one. Okay, good job. Okay, so here the first Aska claims to option. Number one, don't only use black shoes. And number two, feel free to choose hairstyles. And then Grace thinks that there is no rules that can be changed. Nggak ada yang perlu diganti ya. Okay, thank you very much for trying this one. We will continue to the next. We will have here. So this is focus on vocabulary as always. So here we have 10 vocabularies. Biasanya ada 8, 9, kali ini ada 10. We have 10 vocabularies. Start from pour, dual, sympathetic, and then exception, sick, principal, supportive, somehow, student teacher, and council. So I want you to match the word or vocabulary with the definition. Oke. Ada yang mau mencoba duluan? To match the vocabulary to the definition.
Oh yeah.
Mencocokkan. Oke, Grace, you wanna try?
I have a question.
Oke,
I
please.
have a question. Dulu itu the meaning of artinya apa? The
Dull.
meaning.
Number two,
Ya.
itu artinya kira-kira apa nih? Kalau the opposite of sharp,
Ah.
the opposite of sharp. Tahu
Oh.
sharp nggak?
Hmm.
Kalau
Enggak.
sharp itu apa
Enggak.
ya?
Enggak tahu.
Oh, sharp.
Ya.
Seperti pisau.
Sharp.
The knife is sharp. Berarti pisaunya apa?
Tajam.
Tajam. So the opposite of sharp is
Tajam.
apa?
Waduh. Apa sih?
Dull ya. Sorry, sorry. Dull. The opposite of dull is
Eh, Berarti tajam dong
I'm sorry. The opposite of
kalau
sharp is
bisa.
lawan kata tajam berarti
Aku nggak paham.
apa
Oh,
nih?
apa ya?
Kalau tajam berarti lawannya apa? Kita nggak Grace?
Lembut enggak nih?
Tumpul ya.
Ah,
Tumpul. Do you know
oh,
tumpul?
oh, ya, ya.
Jadi dull itu adalah
Ya,
tumpul ya.
oke.
Oke, do you get it?
Ya, oke, thank you.
Oke. So dull is tumpul ya. Okay, so here we have 10 option. We have 10 vocabularies. Okay, who wants to try it first? Ada yang mau mencoba duluan? It feels free to just bebas mau pilih yang mana aja nih.
I will try Cap.
Okay, Aska, you wanna try? Which one?
Number three,
Number three.
sympathetic.
Sympathetic with
G.
G.
Being kind when
Oh,
someone
J ya. Number three with J. Okay, please read the definition.
being kind when someone is sad and showing you understand their problem.
Okay, so sympathetic. The answer is J. Being kind when someone is sad and showing you understand their problems. Okay, the answer is J. All right, that's correct, Aska. Good job. Okay, you want to try it again? So number
I
three.
try.
Okay, Grace, you want to try?
Number eight, eight.
Number eight. Okay, please.
Uh, this definition of apa tadi ya? D.
Somehow with
D.
D.
D, D.
Okay, please read the definition.
In a way that is not sustain or known.
Certain ya,
New.
certain.
Certain. Yeah, okay.
In a way that is not certain or known. Somehow, the answer is D. Okay, that is correct, Grace. Good job. Oke, masih ada beberapa lagi nih. We have 8 left, tinggal 8 lagi nih. Jadi bisa menjawab 5-5 ya, biar seimbang.
Honest, I have question.
Oke, please.
Seek itu melihat atau mencari?
Kalau melihat itu kan see. Berarti kalau seek
Hmm,
adalah
mencari.
mencari. Alright, that's good. That's great.
Oke. Tapi kan
Oke.
berarti tambahan K doang ya?
Iya, kalau see sama seek artinya udah beda ya. Kalau see melihat,
Oh,
kalau seek mencari.
berarti nggak ada kata kata sifat sama bendanya ya beda ya?
Beda, beda.
Ya, jauh.
Seperti
Oh,
hide and seek berarti petak umpet atau hide and seek bersembunyi dan mencari.
oh, oke. Thank you.
Oke, oke. Oke, we have 8 left, tinggal 8 lagi nih.
I wanna try tadi number five tadi.
Number 5, 6. Okay, please.
Five with definition C.
Okay, please read the definition.
Try to find something often not a physical object.
Try to find something, often not a physical object. The answer is C. All right, that's correct, Grace. Good job. Okay, that is for this three one. Dan nomor udah tiga nih. Kita punya tujuh lagi. We have seven left. Oke, tinggal tujuh. For the
Try
exception.
that.
Oke, Aska, which one?
Uh,
Nomor berapa, Aska?
the answer is B. Seven.
Number seven. The answer is B. Supportive. Okay, please read the definition.
Helpful and encourage others.
Okay, supportive. The meaning is B. All right, that is correct. Helpful and encourage others. All right, that is great, Aska. Good job. Oke, next. Udah empat nih.
Hey,
Oke, please, Grace.
number two.
Number two. Okay, please. Del.
Yeah, this definition of F.
F. Okay, please read the definition.
Boring and not interesting. Interesting.
Boring and not interesting. Jadi Del itu bisa tumpul dan juga bisa boring
Bosan.
and not interesting. Do you
Oh,
know
oke.
what I mean, Grace?
Ya.
Jadi kalau orangnya tumpul berarti orangnya membosankan. Do you know
Oh,
that?
okay. I know.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, that is like slang. Duh. Okay, boring and not interesting. That's correct. Thank you very much, Grace. Okay, then we have five left. Tinggal lima nih.
Try that.
Okay, Aska, which one?
Nine.
Number?
Nine.
Number nine. Okay, please.
The answer is G.
G. Okay, please read the sentence.
Person who is practicing to become a teacher.
Student teacher. The answer is a person who is practicing to become a teacher. Okay, that is correct, Aska. Good job. Orang yang sedang berlatih untuk menjadi seorang guru, student teacher. Alright, great. Okay, next. Tinggal nomor 1, 4, 6, and 10. Tinggal 4
Hi.
nih. Okay, you wanna try, Chris?
Yeah, number six.
Number 6, principal
Yeah.
with
Definition with A, B, C, D, E, F. E.
E. Okay, please
E.
read the definition.
The person in chair, gimana?
In charts.
A charge of a school.
Okay, principal. The answer is E. All right, the person in charge of a school. Okay, the answer is E. That is great, Grace. Good job. Okay, then we have three left. Tinggal tiga nih.
I
Okay, you want to try? Which one?
yeah, number 10.
Number 10. Okay.
And, with a definition H. Aduh.
Age. Okay, please read the definition.
A group of people who are chose gimana?
Chosen.
Chosen to make decision for a larger group.
Okay, council. The meaning is age. A group of people who are chosen to make decision for a larger group. The answer is correct. Okay, good job, Grace. The answer is correct. Okay, so here we have two left. Tinggal dua nih.
Try
Okay, Aska, which one?
number 4.
Number 4, exception with.
A.
Exception with A. Okay, please read the definition.
Something or someone that doesn't follow the normal rules.
Something or someone that doesn't follow the normal rules. Exception. The answer is A. Alright, that is correct answer. The answer is A. Okay, good job, Aska. Okay, we have one left. Tinggal satu nih. Or
Aku
what is
aja.
that? Okay, please, Grace.
Eh, I, eh, I. Definition I. Eh,
Okay, please read the definition.
Quickly and in large amounts. Aduh.
Flow quickly and in large amount. Gimana, Grace? Please repeat it again.
Wow, clicky,
Quickly,
eh,
quickly,
clicky and ya Allah,
quickly.
clicky and in large
Bukan
amounts.
bukan quickie ya, quickly.
Iya, gak bisa ini karena ini itulah.
Oke, flow
Gimana?
quickly and in large amounts gitu ya.
Ya oke. Quick.
Okay, number one is I. Alright, that is correct, Grace. Good job, Grace. Okay, thank you very much, everyone, for trying this part. We have 10 options. We have 10 words and the definition. Okay, thank you very much for trying this one. We will continue to the next. We will have. Oke, kita coba. Oke, everyone, please open your PDF. Dibuka ya PDF yang that I've shared, yang udah kayak share. Nanti kita mencoba menjawab di sini karena udah beda halaman, nggak bisa di-split di sini. Oke, can you do it, Grace, Aska?
Oke.
Okay, please open the PDF and look at this one. Focus on vocabulary. And I want you to fill this one. I only want to choose number one until number five. Cuma lima aja nih. In the quote number one and quote number two. So we have one, two, three, and four and five. Ada lima aja nih. Untuk three and four kita lewati dulu. Only quote number one and number two. So number one sittings about what we like and use lot of different types of activities. So science lesson with her are never blah blah blah. Okay. So have you done? Open the PDF. Udah selesai bukanya?
Ya, udah.
Okay, now please find the answer. Only five, cuma lima aja nih. Dari 10 pilihan, cuma lima aja nih yang dipilih. Okay, you can read it first and then find the appropriate answer.
Bebas. Nomor
Bebas, it's
apa
feel
aja?
free. Number one, two, three, four, or five. We have five option. We have five blanks ya. Ada lima kosongan.
Oke.
Okay, please. Okay, have you done? Udah nemu belum jawabannya?
Ya.
Okay, so
Eh,
Grace, you wanna try? What's number?
aku nomor number two.
Number two. Okay, please.
Maybe somehow.
Number two. The answer is
Hmm, somehow.
somehow.
Hmm,
I wasn't paying attention in one over, and okay, that is a little bit mistake. Agak salah nih, kurang tepat.
hmm, apa ya? Oke.
Selain somehow, coba dicari lagi ya.
Oke.
Mhm.
Let's recap.
Okay, which one, Aska?
Number 10.
Number?
10.
Oh, ini ya yang cuma 1 sampai 5 aja, Aska. Quote number one and
Oh,
quote
itu
number
5 aja.
two. Iya, number one until number five.
Oh, oke, oke.
Cuma yang di quote number satu sama quote number two. So we have five option, cuma lima aja nih. Okay, it feels free to choose. Number one, two, three, four, and five.
Aku mau ganti number one.
Number one, okay, please.
Is answer do. Do.
Dal, that is Dal ya bacanya. Sorry, tadi salah. Dal ya.
Adal. What?
Dull.
Okay.
Okay, please read the sentence from the first until titik ini ya, please.
Uh, she thinks about what we like and use lots of different types of activity. So science lesson with her are never dull.
Never dull, tidak pernah membosankan ya, tidak pernah tumpul juga. Okay, the answer is dull. Alright, that is correct, Grace. Good job.
Oke. Aduh.
Okay, then we have four left, tinggal empat nih. Oke, tinggal empat. It feels free to choose. Bebas nih mau pilih yang mana aja nih. Iya, berpikir about. Oke, number two, three, four, five. Ada yang mau coba?
Uh,
Enggak.
Oke, siapa? Grace, Aska?
Aska.
Aska
Aska.
duluan. Oke, please, Aska.
Number 4,
Number four, with
sympathetic.
sympathetic. Okay, the answer is sympathetic. Sympathetic ya. Okay, please read until from yes ini ya sampai titik sini.
Yeah. Yes, she is amazing. I was in her class once, and I
Once, ya.
was really once, once,
Once ya.
once. Once, and I was really sad because my cat had died. She was really
She was really
sympathetic.
sympathetic ya.
Yeah.
Sympathetic. The answer is sympathetic. Alright, the answer is correct. Good job, Aska.
I.
Yeah, then, Grace, you want to try? Which one?
Number 5.
Number five. Okay.
Council.
Council.
Answer
Okay,
con.
your answer is correct. Council. Okay, please from when until titik di sini. Over again.
Oh, when I was thinking about running for the school council, she helped apa ini?
Practice.
Practice, practice my presentation over and over again.
Okay, the answer is
Council.
council. Okay, council. Okay, Grace, you can read it running ya, bukan running, running ya.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Running. Okay, it's okay. Thank you very much for trying number five. Good job, please. Okay, now we have two left. Tinggal dua nih. Number two and number three. Nomor dua sama nomor tiga nih. Kira-kira apa nih nomor dua sama nomor tiga jawabannya? Dari 10 pilihan masih tersisa 7 pilihan ya. You have to choose it. Kira-kira yang mana nih? We really enjoyed that. I wasn't paying attention in one of her lessons once, and I blah 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 this hot liquid all over the desk by accident. Okay, Grace, you wanna try?
Yeah, number 2.
Number two. Okay, please.
Maybe exception kah?
Number two,
Ya, apa nih ya? Exception.
exception.
Ya,
Uh, Incorrect. Kurang tepat ya.
ya, oke.
Number two bukan
Sorry.
exception ya. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It not don't feel sorry ya. Tidak perlu merasa bersalah. Okay, we have two left, number two and number three. Agak membingungkan ya karena pilihannya banyak banget. Tinggal
Ya.
7 pilihan. The most teachers would get them so mad in that situation, but she is the She told the other students to look at the effects of acid on wood and then help me clean it up. Kira-kira apa nih?
I wanna try, Kev.
Okay, what's number? Aska?
Number three.
Number three.
Hmm. Maybe somehow.
Somehow. Number three is
Eh,
incorrect. Kurang tepat nih, bukan somehow ya. Dan somehow nih. Berarti selain somehow. Kalau somehow kan entah bagaimana. Masa? But she is the somehow. Tapi dia entah bagaimana. Mungkin kalau sebagai orang ini berarti kira-kira apa? Apa nih kira-kira? Berarti yang tidak umum. Selain tidak umum, berarti tadi apa yang tidak umum?
Ih, susah.
Susah ya? Oke, you wanna try it together? Mau coba bersama? Oke, Aska, you wanna try?
number three. Exception.
Number, what's number?
Three. Three.
Number three. The answer is
Hmm.
exception ya, benar
Exception.
banget. Exception. The answer is exception. Oke, the answer is exception ya buat nomor tiga. Oke, Aska, please read from most until exception ya.
Most teachers won't get so mad in the situation, but she is the exception.
Okay, that is correct. So most teachers would get so mad in that situation, but she is the exception atau pengecualian ya. Okay, your answer is correct, Aska. Okay, we have one left, tinggal nomor dua nih. Kira-kira apa nih? I wasn't paying attention in one of her lesson once. Aku agak kurang memperhatikan pada salah satu pelajarannya, and dan aku did this hot liquid all over the desk by accident. Tiba-tiba aku tidak titik cairan panas ini di seluruh meja secara kecelakaan.
I
Kira-kira apa nih? Kalau tiba-tiba tidak sengaja menyenggol berarti apa nih? Want to try?
somehow, somehow.
Oke, masih bingung ya. Jadi the answer is poured ya. Pour.
Hah?
Tidak sengaja.
Huh?
Pour.
Oh,
Pour. Do you get it? Tidak.
Oh, pakai tambah E-nya ya?
Iya ada. Kan ini kan tadi adalah cerita past tense ya. Past tense.
Iya.
Jadi
Iya.
dari pour
eh,
menjadi pour. Oke, do you get it?
Oh, oke
Jadi
oke. Makanya bingung.
Jadi tidak sengaja menuangkan ya, tidak
iya.
sengaja tidak sengaja menuangkan cairan panas ini ke seluruh meja karena kecelakaan. Okay, that is for number one and until number five in the quote number one and number two. Alright, thank you very much, Grace and Aska, for trying this section. Okay, then we will continue to the next. We will have which one ya? Okay, here. We will have, oh, this one, I'm sorry. This, I want you to answer this one. What's the principal of your school like? Kira-kira principal di sekolah kamu kayak gimana nih? And what do you think is the dual subjects at school? Why? Atau pembelajaran yang paling membosankan di sekolah apa nih? And what do you think is difficult about being a student teacher? Apa yang kamu pikir Kak tentang sulitnya menjadi student teacher? And how can students be supportive of new ideas at school? Bagaimana murid bisa menjadi suportif dari ide-ide baru di sekolahan? Do you get it? Paham nggak kira-kira di sini? Jadi I want you to answer this question. The minimum is two, minimal dua ya.
Oke.
Oke, minimal dua, maksimal empat berarti minimal dua aja. It feels
I,
free to choose. Bebas. Gimana?
I wanna try. Mm.
Oke, which one?
Number one and number two.
Number one and number two. Okay, please.
What's the principal of your school like? Apa ya? Our principal is very good uh, and can be a leader and apa lagi ya? Can carry out this duties well. Itu aja.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so that is very
And
good and can be a good leader, yeah.
nah ya.
And then,
And number two,
mm-hmm.
what do you think is the adults? Maybe
The
was
Dallas, yeah, sorry,
history.
the Dallas, yeah.
The dolls, yeah, the dolls. I think was history. Was
History.
history.
Why?
Because I don't understand
One must
mata pelajarannya.
be patient,
Nggak
patient.
paham.
Oh, Aska,
When
you want to say something?
uh,
Okay, okay, berarti Chris, you choose history because you don't understand about the history.
Ya,
Why? Oh, why? So that is about Indonesian history or national? I mean, like world story history.
pembelajaran sejarah di sekolah
Skor kan ada sejarah, mungkin ada sejarah dunia atau sejarah Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Oh, only Indonesian ya.
Hmm,
Okay, so Indonesia history. So you don't understand about Indonesia history.
ya selalu
Uh,
always. I don't know.
always. Okay, that's good answer, Grace. That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
All right, that's a great answer, Grace. Thank you very much, Grace, for trying number one and number two. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, then after Grace, Aska, you wanna try?
okay,
Okay, which one?
number three.
Number three. Okay, please.
Uh, what do you think difficult about this student teacher? In my opinion tuh must be patient
Must be
when
passionate, harus termotivasi berarti ya.
uh,
Gimana?
yeah, must be patient
Mhm.
when control the students.
Oh, must be patient, harus sabar ya.
Yeah.
Harus sabar ketika mengontrol murid-muridnya. So student teacher have to be patient, harus sabar banget ya berarti.
Hmm.
And then any else?
Udah, that's all.
Oh, I want you to ya, minimal dua
Oh,
ya.
tuh.
One more.
Apa ya? Wait.
So for number three, the answer is student teachers have to be patient, harus sabar banget. And then, apalagi nih Askar?
Apa? Must have uh,
Mhm.
high education.
Must have education background.
Ya.
Oh, so student teacher has to have education background ya,
Ya.
harus punya latar belakang pendidikan yang bagus.
Ya.
Okay, that's a good answer. That's all, Aska.
That's all.
All right, good job. Thank you very much, Aska, for trying number three. Good job. Okay, so that is for number three about this question. Okay, then we will continue to the next. We will have, okay, we will move to here. Language point. So we will have this compound words with some. Oke, this is the option here. We will have six sum. Ada sum. Ada beberapa sum nih yang harus kalian terapkan di sini. It feels free to just so from here we have by describing what we wanted and asking people to think of ways to help us, we somehow made them part of our team, says Holly. So here we have somehow. Somehow kira-kira artinya apa nih tadi? Berarti kalau somehow itu berarti bisa menjadi seperti entah bagaimana ya. Jadi itu entah bagaimana kami membuat mereka jadi bagian dari tim kami. Jadi dengan mendeskripsikan buat apa yang kita cari dan uh, asking people to think to help us atau bertanya kepada orang cara untuk membantu kita, we somehow made them part of our team. We somehow kita entah bagaimana membuat mereka menjadi bagian dari tim kita. Says Holly, kata Holly. So here we have six sentences and you have to fill with some. Bisa some apa aja nih? Somehow, something, someone, some day, or somehow, some lainnya. It feels free to fill. Do you get my point? Paham nggak kira-kira maksudnya?
Oke.
Paham, Grace?
Ya,
Okay,
benar.
please. For the example here, I will give the answer for nomor berapa ini? Number one. So I will give the example. My smartphone must be blah 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 because I had it 5 minutes ago. So for the example here, dia kayak kehilangan HP-nya berarti my smartphone must be somewhere. Jadi because I had it 5 minutes ago. Pasti teleponku ada di suatu tempat nih karena aku baru lihat 5 menit yang lalu. Jadi di sini number one the answer is somewhere. Oke, we have five left, tinggal lima nih. We have number two, three, four, five, six. Tinggal nomor 2 sampai nomor 6 nih.
I I wanna
Gimana?
try.
Oke, which one?
Number two.
Number two. Okay, please.
I wish someone.
I wish someone had. Okay, please read the full sentence.
I wish someone had told me the news about Kina getting married.
Okay, I wish someone had told me the news about Tina getting married. The answer is correct. Benar banget, jawabannya adalah someone. Alright, we have four left, tinggal empat nih. Ada yang mau coba lagi? Aska, you wanna try?
Number three,
Number three, okay, please, Aska.
there must be something.
There must be. Okay, please read the full sentence.
There must be something better to do than playing video games all day.
Okay, the answer is something. Benar banget nih. Pasti ada suatu hal lainnya yang lebih baik dilakukan daripada bermain video game sepanjang hari. Something. Alright, great, Aska. Okay, we have three left. Tinggal tiga nih. Ada yang mau coba lagi?
Aku.
What's number?
Number five.
Number five. Okay,
Five.
please.
Itu answernya some apa ya tadi ya? Some time.
Sometime I'll send you.
Time, time today. Ya.
Okay, please read the full sentence.
I'll send you an email sometime today. I promise.
Okay, the answer is sometime. That is correct, Grace. Okay, good job, Grace. Okay, we have two left. Tinggal dua nih. Number four and number six.
Uh, so number four,
Number four. Okay,
yeah,
please.
someday.
Okay, someday. Please read the full sentence.
I'm sure you'll be rich and famous. Someday you just have to be patient.
Okay, I'm sure you'll be rich. Aku yakin kamu akan menjadi kaya dan terkenal. Someday, suatu hari. Someday, the answer is someday. You just have to be patient. Kamu harus bersabar. Okay, your answer is correct, Aska. Someday. Okay, we have number six.
That's me.
Okay, please.
Somehow.
Okay, the answer is somehow. Okay, please read the full sentence, Grace.
We somehow managed to win the game even though the other team was better than us.
So
Yeah.
the answer is somehow we manage. We somehow kita entah bagaimana manage to win the game even though the other team was better than us. Okay, the answer is somehow. Bener banget. Somehow. Okay, everyone, that's a good answer. Bener banget semua jawabannya. Benar-benar. Okay, good job, everyone. Okay, from here, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak kira-kira?
Jadi eh sam setiap sama itu digunakan maksudnya gimana ya? Tepat pada apa namanya?
Tergantung
Yang penting
konteksnya
aja
berarti.
gitu. Ah iya, gitu.
Oke, jadi penggunaan some itu tergantung konteksnya. Misal kita mau bilang entah di mana berarti somewhere, atau entah bagaimana berarti somehow, entah kapan berarti entah kapan. Seperti
So,
entah kapan hari, someday kayak gitu. Do you get it?
oh, oke. Ya, oke, thank you. Oke.
Okay, so that is for some here. Okay, good job everyone. That's so good. Okay, now we will continue to the next year. Okay, actually we will have here first conditional. So we will learn about conditional sentence, yeah. So this is conditional sentence. So this is like if you find out what is needed, I will help you next week. So this is part of conditional sentence. If ini adalah kalimat perandaian ya. If. So the form is if plus present simple then add will with infinitive. Jadi di sini ada if. Oke, for this, ini ada if you find out what is needed. Ini adalah present simple, well simple present, and then ditambah dengan will dan infinitive. Will dan infinitive. Di sini ada will dan verb satu. Infinitive tuh kadang biasanya adalah verb satu. Oke, do you get it about this part? Paham nggak kira-kira part ini? Do you get about this
No,
point? Paham nggak kira-kira?
aku enggak.
Oke, ini digunakan untuk situasi yang mungkin terjadi. Jadi untuk tingkat kejadiannya tuh mungkin banget bakal terjadi.
Jadi
Jadi
harus
untuk
menggunakan if ya, atau
jika
enggak gitu.
jika mau bilang jika ini adalah kalimat perandaian. Kalau kita mau berandai-andai nih, jika aku kaya, aku akan membeli mobil. Nah, itu kan pasti mungkin banget kan?
Ya,
Nah, kadang ada kemungkinan yang apa perandaian yang nggak mungkin banget. Kayak contohnya, jika aku punya sayap, aku akan pergi ke sekolah
terbang.
dengan cepat. Itu kan nggak mungkin banget kan?
Iya,
Nah, itu tipe kemungkinan yang selanjutnya. Ini untuk kemungkinan tipe yang pertama. Ini adalah kemungkinan yang pasti atau dapat terjadi. Seperti if you find out what is needed, I will help you next week. Jika kamu menemukan apa yang dibutuhkan, aku akan membantumu bulan next week, minggu depan. Oke, ini jadi
oke.
mungkin banget. Do you understand it?
Oke, oke, I understand.
From the example here, if you vote me for if you vote for me as your next president, I will give you everybody free internet access everywhere they go. Jadi jika kamu memilihku sebagai presiden selanjutnya, aku akan memberikan akses internet ke everywhere they, kemanapun kamu pergi. So this is for kalimat pengalihan yang mungkin bisa terjadi ya kalau jadi presiden kan bisa memberi aturan-aturan yang wow sekali. Ini juga ada I will let school students choose the subject they want to study if you choose me as your next leader. Jadi di sini kalau kamu memilihku sebagai ketua selanjutnya, aku bakal mengizinkan the student choose the subject they want. Jadi bisa mengizinkan siswa untuk belajar mata pelajaran apapun yang mereka inginkan. So, di sini ada dua tipe nih. Ada yang will-nya di depan, ada yang if-nya di depan. Jadi, if you vote me for as your next president, I bla 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 bla. Jadi di sini bisa diisi bebas apa aja nih berdasarkan kamu. Oke, so I want you to choose Grace as C and Aska D ya. Oke, do you get it?
Ya, Kak.
Oke, jadi Aska nanti contohnya yang B ini, sedangkan Grace contohnya yang A ini. Oke, please Aska and Grace, if you want to try, you can raise your hand. If you vote me, if you vote for me as your next president, I blah 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 blah. This is with their own idea. Ini kalau Grace mau jadi presiden nanti mau ngapain nih? Terus buat Aska, aku akan ngapa-ngapain jika ngapain gitu.
I wanna try. Hmm.
Oke, please, Grace.
I feel, bentar.
If
Ah, if you vote for me as your next president, I will reduce the hours of the lesson at school.
I will reduce
The hours,
the
the hours,
the
hari-hari,
hours. Oh,
hours,
the day, hour
the
ya,
day,
hour
hour,
atau
ya,
day? Hour ya, berarti the
hour,
hour
hour. If of lesson,
of lesson.
lesson at
Oke,
school.
at school seperti ini.
Iya,
Oke, jadi jika kamu memilihku sebagai presiden selanjutnya, aku akan mengurangi jam belajar di sekolah gitu ya berarti.
iya,
Oke, biar cepat pulang ya berarti.
iya,
Oke, that's a good answer. Ini adalah impian banyak siswa ya, pulang cepat. Oke, good job Grace. That is a nice answer. Okay, then after Grace, Aska, you wanna try? Or Aska, do you still confused? Oke, jika masih bingung boleh banget ditanya.
Okay, that's right.
Oke, please.
Uh, I will make you free.
Oke, Aska, can you louder please? Agak kurang
Sorry,
dengerin.
in huh? In my house, rain.
Oke,
What
it's
cat?
okay. Oke, suaranya kayak jauh banget nih. Atau mungkin pengaruh headset saya ya. I will, apa nih? Oke, Aska, are you there?
Okay.
Oke,
I
please.
will
Mhm.
entrance few subsidies.
I will, gimana tadi?
I will entrance.
Entrance?
Ya,
Entrance. Can you spell it?
menambah.
Oh, you will like add gitu ya?
Ya,
Oke, you will add.
menambah.
Menambah apa?
hmm, Apa ya? Apa? Food subsidi.
Food subsidy, berarti subsidi
Ya,
makanan.
ya. If
Mhm.
you
So, food, wait, I will add food subsidy
if
if
you select me next president.
if you
Select me
select me,
next president.
select me for
Next president.
next president. Oke, artinya apa nih,
Ya.
Aska?
Eh, saya akan menambah subsidi makanan jika kamu memilih aku sebagai presiden, next presiden apa ya? Presiden berikutnya.
Oke, berarti memilih aku akan menambah subsidi makanan if you select me jika kamu memilihku atau jika kamu memilihku untuk pemilihan presiden selanjutnya. Oke, that's so good, Aska. So what kind of food subsidy, Aska? Makanan apa nih yang mau disubsidi? Mau disubsidi?
Like maybe vegetables or yeah,
Vegetables and then
and meat.
meat
Uh,
and that's all.
and that's all.
Oke, berarti you will decrease the price of vegetables and meat ya, mengurangi harga sayuran dan juga daging ya.
Yeah.
Alright, that's a great decision. Good job, Aska. Thank you very much, Aska and Grace, for trying this section. Oke, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak tentang ini?
Berarti jika kalau dibilang if itu jawabnya I will atau
Mm-mm. Ini
bagaimana?
kan untuk kan if itu kan
Ya,
jika berarti yang jika ini kedepannya akan apa gitu.
ya.
Do you get it?
Oke, oke. Ya, oke,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, everyone. So that is for this part. Okay, now this is for the last section. So here I want you to be calon OSIS atau calon pemimpin sekolah atau calon dewan sekolah nih. I want you to make rules that you want to choose to change your school. Aku ingin kamu membuat aturan untuk sekolahan nih. Do you get it? Paham nggak kira-kira?
Ya,
Jadi I want you to make rules because you will be the candidate of school council atau menjadi kandidat OSIS, ketua OSIS gitu. So I want you to make some rules that you will say to the student yang akan kamu ucapkan di murid-murid nih. Do you get it?
ya, oke.
Hah? No?
Ya, 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 oke.
Oke, oke. So the minimum is 5 ya. Minimal ada 5 aturan nih. Jadi yang akan kalian ajukan, mungkin kayak sekolah ini akan memberlakukan apa nih? Sekolah ini akan apa nih? The school will be more apa nih? Something like that. Do you get it?
Oke.
Okay, I will give you time around 3 minutes. 3 menit. Okay, please. Time is yours. Oke, have you done? Udah selesai belum?
Sabar, dua lagi.
Oh, oke, oke, oke. Please take your time. Okay, have you done?
Oke, I have
Okay,
done.
please. Okay, start from Grace, please.
Uh, if bahasa Inggris.
Yeah, please use English.
If we're in the student council organization at school, I would implement it one apa ya, implementing public speaking in English.
Oh, you want to have program like speaking English in the school?
Ya,
Or like one day, I mean like in 1 week, the student have to speak in English.
ya,
So you have to say English day gitu ya.
ya.
Okay, English day in a week. Okay, and then?
Mhm. Two, literacy and reading program.
Reading program. So what kind of reading program?
Eh, Maksudnya itu kayak setiap sebelum masuk pembelajaran itu baca buku.
Every day?
Ya,
Okay, that's so
maybe.
good thing. Alright. And then apa lagi nih?
Apa tadi ya? Kayak wajib mengikuti ekstra. Apa ya?
Oh,
Apa ya?
student must join extracurricular ya.
Nah ya,
Student must join extracurricular. And then
itu aja deh yang bisa.
only three?
Ya, ngaji aja.
Okay, so your program is one English day in a week, and then reading program before the lesson, and the last student must join extracurricular. That is must, yeah.
Oke.
That's all, Grace.
So, Cap.
Okay, thank you very much, Grace, for sharing your rules. Okay,
Oke.
then we will have Aska. You want to try?
Mhm.
Okay, please, Aska.
Number one, I will create a suggestion box for critic,
Mhm.
and number two, I will make a fun music event,
Fun music event,
uh, and I will make a gaming competition.
gaming competition.
Yeah,
That is like online gaming.
yeah,
Okay, online game competition. That's all? Or any
that's
else?
all.
Only three?
Okay, one again.
Udah?
Uh, udah, that's all.
Oh, okay, so your program is create create suggestion box for criticism atau membuat kotak sugesti ya buat kritik dari siswa, and then fun music event, musik apa acara musik yang menyenangkan, and then online game competition, akan diadakan kompetisi game online seperti itu, Aska.
Yeah,
Okay, that's a great event and program. Okay, thank you very much, Grace and Aska, for giving me your program for the candidate of school council. Alright, good job everyone. Okay, do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak kira-kira?
New.
No? Aska, do you have a question?
no, okay.
Okay, so